Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to export private channels on the Telegram app using your PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to back up the information from your private channels, this method is quick, simple, and secure. Let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see three small horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find several options, but what you need is the section called Advanced. Click on it, and it will open more detailed settings for your Telegram account. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that allows you to download different types of information from your account. Click on it to open the export settings. Once inside, you'll see a list of options for what kind of data you want to export. Since we're focusing only on private channels, make sure that everything else is unchecked. Carefully select only the box that says Private Channels. After that, click on Export to begin the process. Telegram will now start preparing your export file. Depending on the amount of data in your private channels, this may take a little time, so be patient. When the export is finished, a button will appear that says Show My Data. Click on it to view the content that has been backed up from your private channels. And that's it. You've now successfully exported all your private channels using the updated Telegram app on your PC. This export feature is extremely useful if you want to save your channel history, move your data around, or simply keep a backup for future use. Remember, these exports are stored locally on your computer, so they remain in your control and aren't shared with anyone else. Take a few moments after your export to organize or store your files in a safe location. Thanks for watching.